perfect roadmap to learn web development in 2024. HTML lays the foundation, crafting the skeleton of web pages with precision and clarity. CSS steps in to transform this skeleton into a work of art, adding style, colors, and layout to bring beauty to the structure. JavaScript injects life into the mix, introducing interactivity that responds to user inputs. For advanced functionality, React, VueJs, Svelte, and Angular are the architects, building complex applications with ease and efficiency. APIs act as the bridge, connecting our creations to a world of data, opening doors to endless possibilities. Beneath it all lies the database, the silent guardian of information, ensuring our data is stored securely and efficiently. Collaboration thrives with Git and GitHub, uniting developers to write the future of technology together, code by code. NodeJs, Python, PHP, and Go power the engine room, driving the backend where the magic of data processing happens. VSCode, the coder's companion, offers a sanctuary where ideas turn into code, fostering creativity and productivity. ChatGPT and AI push the boundaries of what's possible, optimizing tasks and ushering in a new era of productivity. Finally, YouTube and FreeCodeCamp stand as beacons of knowledge,